Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of jacket from Colombia. I've got it on Black Friday and it was sale on site from 99 something to 49 something. I was curious what's the quality of such coat jacket, and it had many, like over 200 reviews, almost 300, so I thought it would be nice. Let's see. So I've got the made in Vietnam, size X large woman's KARIS GALE long jacket, and it came in white packaging and I took it out. It came in this foil. Let's see. This is black colored one, and it looks like this. Maybe I zip it to show you. Let's zip it first. It has YKK zippers, if you know something about zippers, and there are two-way zippers. So this coat looks like this. I've got it in size X large, and this is made from some not down but different kind of insulation, and it says Colombia sportswear made in Vietnam. The tag looks bad quality, not like the brand name. It looks like, I heard that in Vietnam things are worse quality, but I don't know if it's true. So sleeves have inside some fleece underneath, you see, but it's only here at the beginning. Then the ending of clothes looks like this. Let's see, does it have any inside part you can cinch in? Seems like not. So the model, as I told you, the tag looks like this, and zippers like plastic, like this kind. This coat also have here and the back of the hood Velcro that you can make it bigger or smaller, which is a good option. The hood is attached without, it's not detachable. And here it also has something like this, and it's make itself more scrunchy looking, and here too, but you cannot regulate it by any kind of laces or cinching system. So yeah, and Colombia, in my older coats the signs are engraved with some, like, letters are engraved with like stitching, and here are like sticked, so this might rip off after time, because I read reviews that people were saying that this coat, no, it doesn't has down inside, so not sure how warm it is. But inside, and this coat looks like this. It has panels here, they are more wide, and then near waist they are narrower. And inside, material is nice, but it's not very often heat. And they also have nice here. This stitching is also protected here with some additional material. And what else? Double zipper. Coat has double zipper, which is good. Inside it has a pocket here, so it looks like this. It's on Velcro, not on zipper. This coat also have two pockets which are on zipper, like here. And it zips, and inside it has this kind of material. It's like kind of fleece, but it's cheaper quality fleece. So yeah, I guess I can try it on and see how it looks. Try it. So unzipped looks like this. When I zip it with this thingy, and I should do this thing, so I can zip it like so, and it fits me, which is good. So coat looks like this. Can you see? The side look like this, and it looks like this. This coat has long arms, I can tell. See, they are long. Oh, hands, sleeves, I should say. I like this coat because it's a little bit like has shape to it. So it has here some shape. So yeah. And this is not super for super cold days. I think it's a little bit for maybe 30s, 40s, 50s, 30s, and below 30s, no, I'm not sure if it would be warm enough. So I show you in the mirror. I am 5'8", and it's in the middle thighs, and it's not bad for the sale price. I wouldn't pay I wouldn't pay $100 for it, but on sale can be. And here it looks like this. So as you can see, not bad. Yeah, it looks like this. And I'm quite warm right now in this coat, so I guess it's good for winter. Even maybe below, but it's not sure. Also, I can show you how it looks with hood. So let's put hood on. So yeah, it has to be regulated. Oh, it's like so. Funny. Yay! I like it. I think I will keep it because it's nice and it's lightweight. It's not heavy at all. For walking your dogs or going out somewhere. And it's nice. The material looks like this. It has some small, see, that's kind of material. And here's what Columbia sign. So yeah, nice coat. On sale, but it's running out, and the shipping was really slow this time. It was like over. I got it near Black Friday and it delivered today, which is 10th of December. So it was over 10 days. Terrible shipping. That's why I'm making that video so late. And I saw they are sold out on the S size small, X small, but maybe they will give them, give more of sizes. Okay, so that's it of my unboxing. So this is how it looks on me. Hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, thumbs up and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye. Done.